With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here the question is identify the colorless complex. Says in this among these following complex. So first is our Ti NO3 whole 4, right? So the central metal is Ti. So the oxidation state of Ti is +4. The oxidation, sorry, from here we can see that NO3 has a -1 charge. So Ti, let it be X. Ti let it be X plus 4 into -1. NO3 -1 and the whole charge is 0, so X is equal to +4. So the oxidation state of Ti is equal to +4, right? So the atomic number of titanium is, we know that the atomic number of titanium is 22 and its electronic configuration is argon 3s2 4s2 4s2, right? So for Ti4 plus, the electronic configuration become argon because 4 electrons are liberated from 3s and 4s orbital, right? 3d, sorry, here it is 3d 2 and 4s2. So here it acquire electronic configuration of a stable argon, right? So dd transition is not possible in this. dd transition is not possible, so it is colorless. So it is colorless, right? So our first complex is colorless. Second is our CuNCCH3 whole 4 plus Pf minus 4, right? So here in this complex, the oxidation state of Cu is +1. You can calculate it and know that oxidation state of copper is +1, right? So the atomic number of Cu is 29, right? So this for this electronic configuration is argon 3d10 4s1. So one electron is liberated, then its electronic configuration become argon 3d10, right? So all d orbital are fulfilled here. You can see all d orbital are fulfilled. So dd transition won't possible here. dd transition is also not possible, right? So it is also colorless. It is colorless. So our second option is also colorless compound. Next we have the CrNH3 whole 6 Cl3. That is, so if we write after dissociating CrNH3 whole 6, this is in the form of +3 or 3Cl minus, right? So in this oxidation state of Cr is +3, and we know that the atomic number of chromium is 24. Atomic number of Cr is 24, so its electronic configuration is like argon 3d4 and 4s2. So here d orbital are there. If we write for the electronic configuration of Cr3 plus, that is become argon 3d3, right? So we can see that here dd orbital are there, that is dd transition is possible. If we see here d orbital of d3, so 1 2 and 3, right? So only 3 electrons are present in d orbital. So here dd transition is possible. dd transition is possible. Transition is possible. So it is colored compound. It is colored, right? So this is not our correct option. Next is fourth, that is K3VF6. Fourth is our K3VF6, right? So the oxidation state of V is +3, and the atomic number of vanadium is +3. The atomic number of vanadium is 23, and its electronic configuration is argon 3d3 4s2, right? So here it is a transaction of +3, so it becomes argon 3d2, right? Here also dd orbital are there, so it is colored. dd transition is possible. Here we can see dd transition is possible because 2 electron is present in d orbital. dd transition is possible. So we can say that it is colored, right? So coming to our option, so it is also not much. So our correct option is option A and B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.